Hey everyone, I'm Chris Sajnog, best-selling author of How to Shoot Like a Navy SEAL, and my new book is Navy SEAL Shooting, and it goes on sale August 31st. Now, Navy SEAL Shooting is everything I know about how to shoot any semi-automatic pistol or rifle, and you're going to find it right here in this book. There's 386 pages, there's 385 images and custom illustrations to make sure you know exactly what to do to become a better shooter. So let's go ahead and just quickly look at what you're going to get. So the first section is on training, and this is crucial because if you're not training properly, it doesn't matter what you're learning. You know, the techniques you learn are meaningless if you're wasting your time training. So I'm going to teach you actually how to use this book and how to train most effectively. The next section is called mindset, and that's, you know, how to use your mind to be able to focus, you know, to be able to be a more confident shooter and, you know, learn to shoot most effectively. There's meditation and visualization exercises I teach you, and how to just be positive and think positive to become a better shooter. After that, this third section is marksmanship. So in marksmanship, it's really everything from how to shoot like a Navy SEAL, but it's expanded with a lot more images and just tons more detail in there. The final section is called operations, and operations is all your pistol and carbine mounts, clearing malfunctions, movement, shooting on the move, shooting moving targets, shooting with both eyes open. So a lot of information in here. You can order Navy SEAL Shooting now at Amazon, or you can get a signed copy at chrissajnog.com. One thing you want to do is, after you purchase the book, go to navysealshooting.com and register your book with your order number. By doing that, I'm going to send you 2 free videos that I filmed of me teaching something directly out of the book. Now, you're not going to be able to see those videos anywhere else besides registering at navysealshooting.com, so make sure you do that. Okay, so go buy the book and start paving your path to perfection.